shit! Yo, just caught that on camera, bro. Yeah, shorty just hit him off the.
I hopped in a foreign. Circle tight, no more friends. Was broke, but now I'm touring. No breaks, I'm going in. Polo jobs, Ralph Lauren. Don't know where I'm going. This shit getting on. I'm on the road to riches, living like I'm Larry. Niggas scared to hit the road, them niggas must be scary. I put diamonds in my tooth, but I ain't see the fairy. I got muffins in my pockets, look like blueberries. He a nigga, but he a bitch, he look like Tyler Perry. I got her walking in the bank, she look like Halle Berry. Bad bitch on the phone, she sound like Katy Perry. My niggas playing with them pots, his name must be Harry. I'm loaded on the lab, he smoking lemon cherry. I fell in love with the game.
I'm not too sure where exactly I'm at,
I'm talking to my grandma, long live Mary. I'm talking to my auntie, long live Terry. He can't get no cheese, he allergic to dairy. I had to play it smart, I had to be a safety. I'm driving too fast.
Damn, that nigga bending that corner, what the fuck?
He trying to replace me. We set the box on fire, I think we need some AC. I had to stay dirty because that one had baby. And I'm on the road to riches, living like I'm Larry. Niggas scared to hit the road, them niggas must be scary. I put diamonds in my tooth, but I ain't see the fairy. I got muffins in my pockets, look like blueberries. He a nigga, but he a bitch, he look like Tyler Perry. I got her walking in the bank, she look like Halle Berry. Bad bitch on the phone, she sound like Katy Perry. My niggas playing with them pots, his name must be Harry. I'm loaded on the lab, he smoking lemon cherry. I fell in love with the game, we soon getting married. We killed that 120, still getting buried. I can pass the ball, you still getting carried. I'm super dirty.
Oh shit! Yo! I just caught that on camera, bro. Nah! Oh shit! Shorty just hit him off the. Yo, that was wild. I got that on camera. Wow. Miami ain't a joke. You really see some crazy shit out here. Wow. That was crazy. What's up with these gas prices out here though? Once I get to 15 miles, if I can't find that, I'm gonna have to settle with whatever I get. So it's a little gamble I'm doing right now. 389? See, that's more like it. Windows go up. Hey.
Yeah. it now, but I be like, I'm bad as a motherfucker. You know?
Bro, you got side mirrors, bro. Use them. Like, fuck. Drop top vibes, man. I see it. Tell I'm doing this on the fly. But I'm finna, yo, why buddy pull behind me like that? I don't like that. I think it's about it. As always, man.
Fast like cause I'm a young nigga. I just pray on crash cause I'm doing about 100 nigga. Tell me what I love.